Hi guys, welcome back to another van review. Right, here we are inside now looking at Frontline. This is the Ford Transit electric van. Now this is a plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, and check out that colour, that green is really nice. It's a new release for 2025 and it's done by Frontline Campers. There you can see is where you charge your vehicle. Nice grey colour with the green, I think they look pretty good together. And you can build your own camper van with Frontline. Some nice wheels there, white and black. Alright, let's go in and have a look. As soon as you step into this van, it just feels really spacious. They've got the swivel seats, which is a really smart idea because for a small van it just creates that more space and more seating area. You've got the bed there, the lounge there that goes into a bed. You've got a induction cooktop and you've got the pop top, so you can stand up in this van if you want to. And you've got some vents there, so that would keep the van nice and cool in summer with getting a breeze through.
Nice the hybrid, isn't it?
It's lovely.
So spacious.
Pop top.
Yeah, it feels very roomy, doesn't it? Like good quality these. Amazing that they fit in like these little pockets and don't waste any space.
Alright, we have the back of the van here where you've got the second part of the bed there, which you could also sit at the back and look out the side at the beach or wherever you pull up to. You've got a huge drawer here, which I'll get open here. So look, you can see the size of that. That is pretty decent for the back of that, so you can fit a lot of stuff in there. You've got your Fiamma F45S awning, so good quality awning, and as we mentioned before, you have your pop top. So obviously you don't drive with it like that, but when you need that room, you just pop it out when you park. Thanks for watching guys. If you like this video, please press subscribe so you can watch some more.